Fish soups and stews are some of the most comforting, versatile, and nutrient-dense meals you can prepare at home. They allow you to combine high-quality protein from fish with a variety of vegetables, legumes, herbs, and grains, creating a dish that supports overall health while providing warmth, satisfaction, and culinary creativity. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, or sardines contribute long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, which support cardiovascular health, reduce inflammation, and enhance cognitive function, while lean white fish like cod, haddock, or tilapia supply highly digestible protein that helps maintain muscle mass, repair tissues, and stabilize energy levels. Adding a variety of colorful vegetables increases fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, enhancing immune function and promoting gut health. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients in fish soups and stews makes them not only delicious, but also a functional food that nurtures the body from the inside out. Soups and stews are particularly advantageous for nutrient absorption and digestibility. Cooking fish gently in broths preserves delicate proteins while allowing water-soluble nutrients, such as B vitamins, to leach into the liquid, effectively making the broth a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Including aromatics such as onions, garlic, and tomatoes further adds antioxidants and polyphenol, which may enhance cardiovascular and metabolic health. Legumes like lentils, beans, or chickpeas can be incorporated to boost plant-based protein, fiber, and micronutrients such as folate, iron, and magnesium, creating a balanced and nutrient-dense meal that supports energy, mental clarity, and immune resilience. By combining these ingredients in a single dish, fish soups and stews provide a practical way to meet multiple nutritional needs, particularly for families, older adults, or individuals with limited time or appetite. Despite the numerous benefits, it is essential to practice proper food hygiene when preparing fish soups and stews to avoid the risk of cross-contamination. Raw fish can carry pathogens such as Salmonella, Listeria, and Vibrio, which can be transferred to ready-to-eat ingredients through contaminated cutting boards, knives, or countertops. Cross-contamination is a common source of foodborne illness in home kitchens, particularly when raw seafood is handled alongside vegetables, grains, or cooked proteins without proper sanitation. Symptoms of foodborne illness can range from mild gastrointestinal upset to severe dehydration, and in vulnerable populations, such as older adults, pregnant individuals, or immunocompromised persons, infections can be life-threatening. Awareness of these risks is crucial for ensuring that the wholesome nutritional benefits of fish soups are not offset by preventable contamination. Simple hygiene protocols make home cooking safe while preserving the comfort and joy of preparing fish-based dishes. Designating separate cutting boards and knives for raw fish and vegetables or other ready-to-eat foods minimizes direct contact between raw proteins and consumable ingredients. Thoroughly washing hands before and after handling raw fish, sanitizing countertops and utensils, and cooking fish to appropriate internal temperatures ensures that harmful bacteria are effectively destroyed. Storing raw fish separately from other foods in a refrigerator, using airtight containers, and discarding any fish that has been left at room temperature for extended periods further reduce risk. Following these steps allows families to enjoy homemade fish soups and stews with confidence, knowing that each meal delivers optimal nutrition safely. Creating a kitchen checklist can help maintain consistent hygiene practices while preparing fish-based meals. For example, a simple checklist might include separate cutting boards for raw fish and vegetables, dedicated knives for fish, sanitizing spray or hot soapy water for all surfaces, washing hands thoroughly before touching other ingredients, storing raw fish on the bottom shelf of the refrigerator, and checking internal cooking temperatures with a food thermometer. By incorporating these steps into regular cooking routines, the risk of cross-contamination can be minimized, allowing the full nutritional benefits of fish soups and stews to be safely enjoyed by all household members. Fish soups and stews also encourage meal variety and seasonal creativity, which enhances both nutritional intake and adherence to a balanced diet. You can rotate fish species, switch between root vegetables, leafy greens, or legumes, and experiment with herbs, spices, and broth types to maximize flavor and nutrient density. Examples include Mediterranean-style tomato-based fish stew with sardines and kale, Asian-inspired miso soup with white fish and seaweed, or classic New England chowder with cod, potatoes, and celery. Each combination provides a unique profile of macronutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, ensuring that nutrient intake is not only sufficient but also enjoyable. Beyond individual health, fish soups and stews are cost-effective and sustainable, allowing households to maximize nutrition per dollar spent while incorporating environmentally responsible seafood options. Small, low-trophic fish such as sardines or anchovies are often more affordable than larger predatory species, yet they provide dense protein and omega-3s while exerting a lower ecological footprint. Canned or frozen fish can also be used in soups, making it easy to store, rotate, and incorporate nutrient-rich options without frequent trips to the market. In summary, fish soups and stews represent a perfect balance of comfort, flavor, and nutrition, providing protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in a single, versatile dish. While cross-contamination from raw fish poses a real but manageable food safety concern, implementing simple kitchen hygiene protocols, designating tools for raw and cooked ingredients, and using a checklist ensures safe preparation. By combining careful food handling with culinary creativity, households can enjoy nourishing, delicious, and accessible meals that support cardiovascular health, cognitive function, muscle maintenance, and immune resilience, making fish soups and stews a cornerstone of both practical and health-promoting home cooking.